welcome back to my channel. I'm Artemis, and today we're going to make a pumpkin out of a Tide Pod. This is going to be what it looks like. And the supplies that you need is a little stem out from the garden, some paint, you can get green or brown, a paint brush, and a marker or black paint. So first of all, I'm going to keep this orange, but you can paint it a different orange or white or any color you want. Now we're going to do the face, so I'm using a black Sharpie. You can use paint or stickers. And let's get started. This is my final results for the pumpkin space. And now we're gonna paint the top. I'm gonna be using green, but you can use brown or any color you want. We took the cap off, and now we're gonna paint it. And to take it off, you might need some help from your mom, dad, or anybody you're doing this craft with. I just finished the second coat, and I put some glitter on, and now I'm going to glue the stem on with some hot glue, but you can use some help if you need it. This is my final result. I put a tea light on it, but you can put candy or anything you want. Like and subscribe. I hope you liked this video, and bye!